What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, I want to say an absolute welcome. Make sure you let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about some tools, some softwares that you need to use whenever you decide to start making money online and you want to start an online business. So I decided that I want to create this video for anyone who's fairly new. So if you're brand new, or maybe you're online before, but you can't get ahead, I'm going to share with you some tools that you can use to get your business started. And these tools are being using by a lot of people, a lot of successful people that are crushing the game. And you will know some of them. Some of them you probably won't know, which is that's okay. So all you got to do is just check them out, see which one works for you. Everybody's a little bit different. So here are some of the different tools and softwares that you can use to start making money online. And for my regulars, happy to have you here, right? So the very first tool, and there's a lot of people out there that are using it. I've never used it personally, but I heard good reviews on it. And this is called Builderall. So Builderall, from what I'm hearing and what I've read, they basically have everything built in, right? So it's like a Builderall is like everything is under one umbrella. I heard they have autoresponders and all that kind of stuff. They have some tracking softwares, but feel free to go through here. As you can see, 3 different builders that you can use to build your pages exactly the way you need it. So they have the Pixel Perfect builder, responsive site builder, and they have the mobile first builder, right? So yeah, check those out. Look into it, see what it's like. They have drag and drop. They have the email marketing platform, responsive website, blog builder. So if there's someone watching this video right now and you want to create a blog, they have a platform on the blogging. I don't know how effective it is, but I've heard good things. I've heard it's just like anything, right? You hear good reviews, you hear bad reviews, but overall, I hear nothing but good things about Builderall. All right, so check it out and see if that is something that you want to look into. And I'm sure on this, not on my channel, but on YouTube, there's loads of videos out there that will explain to you about Builderall. All right, so if you can't get Builderall, they have ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is great. ClickFunnels is, I think, one of the top rated ones out there right now because a lot of people, successful people as well, use ClickFunnels for many reasons. Likewise, ClickFunnels have good reviews, they have bad reviews. It's anything in life. You just got to check it out and see what works for you. And the good thing with this, you have like a 14-day trial that you could sign up for it, test it out, see what works. And, you know, if you want to continue the service, why not pay for it? There's another one that's called websites. So this is what you use to create capture pages. And if you don't know what capture page is where you collect someone's information. So if you're in real estate, you want to collect their name, their phone number to follow up with them. If you're in affiliate marketing, of course, you want to also collect names and email. Some people just like to collect emails. Other people like to collect name and email. So it all depends of what you're trying to use to get your business going. And if you have an offline business, these 3 platforms are great, right? You just look into them and see which one you want to work with. And you can use that to get your business going. You can set up like your own website, your own funnel to get people inside of the system. So they have great training. Online Sales Pro is wonderful. They have a lot of different trainings on here. Same thing, good reviews, mixed reviews. I've used Online Sales Pro, they're great. And it's just a system that is easy to set up, plug and play. Plus the price point is good as well. So it all depends what you want to use. All right, so when you have a software that creates landing pages, capture pages, after that, The next thing you want to have is an autoresponder, because when you collect their emails, you want to send them directly into an autoresponder. Now I'm going to show you 3 autoresponders that you can sign up with. Again, it doesn't matter which one works. I'm going to show you the one that I use, and it's great. And I've never used anything else, but everybody have different opinions on everything, right? So the first one is Get Response. Get Response is great. A lot of people use it. And I've never used it before. So yeah, you could sign up for it. You can check it out. As you can see right here, email marketing, they have marketing automation, landing page. You can create even your own custom landing page. I don't know how it looks, but hey, you could still do one with an autoresponder. Webinars, you can connect it with webinar, sign up for free. You could test it out, see how it works. Landing pages, so they're showing like the displays of different landing pages, not places, pages that you can use. Webinars, you can set up your webinars. Marketing automation. Look at this. This is like sexy right here, man. Like they show you how you can set it up, design, and you have like email marketing, perfect for email marketing beginners. It's like a $15 a month. You can get started. And I don't know what this sign up for free. Maybe it's like a free trial or something. They always have free trial because they want you to test it out to see if it's something you want to work with or an autoresponder you want to use. So yeah, test it out. The next one is called Sinlane. Sinlane is great. Sinlane. So these are autoresponders. Autoresponders send out emails. And these are tools and softwares that you're going to need for your online business to make money online. These are things that you want to have, especially if you're looking for long-term business, right? This is what you need. So Sinlane is great. Check out Sinlane. They do have trial as well. All of them have trial. I've used this before. I've helped people set it up. I've never actually owned it. I don't know what their delivery rate is, but it is pretty cool because they have a feature where if people are not opening your email, they automatically can just take them off your list. And that's what you want. You don't want to have dead weight. You don't want to have people on your list that don't open it, don't read it, don't do anything. So if you can filter those people out, it is great. All of these softwares have their good, they have their bad. You just got to try it out and see what works for you. You don't have to sign up for everything, but just see what works. And if that won't work, try something else. What I use AWeber. AWeber is great. I'm just going to pull it up, right? AWeber is great. You can do like a free trial as well. Likewise, all of them, you could test it out for 30 days. And then after that, you can try and see what works for you. So these are some of the tools that you're going to need. You're going to need a capture page. You need an autoresponder, right? These are what you need to get going. Don't worry about all the other fancy stuff that you're going to use later on, because like tracking and all that kind of stuff and domain name. Yeah, you can get a domain name. Nothing is wrong because you can go on Namecheap. I'm just going to pull it up for you guys right now. You can go on Namecheap. You can go on GoDaddy. You can get a domain name. I get my names from Namecheap because it is cheap and it's called Namecheap. You can get domain names for like $9 all the way up for an entire year. So it's like 50 cents or 25 cents if you calculate it. And you can also get like a 2 months free of private email that you can use to kickstart your business. So it is great. And you can go on GoDaddy as well. GoDaddy is a great one that you can use. I have a GoDaddy account as well. So yeah, try it out, test it, see what works. And all you got to do is just go out there and just crush it. All right. And yeah, see if you can get all these. So these are the tools, softwares you're going to be using to make money online. All you got to do is just sign up for them, try them, test them before you decide to go all in. Just try it out, test it out, see what works for you, see which one you can manage, set up your business, and then you can join affiliate marketing programs and go out there and start crushing it. So whether you're on real estate or in affiliate marketing, weight loss, beauty products, dating, niching, you need these things to help grow your business. Capture page an autoresponder for right now just to kickstart your business. All the other fancy stuff, you can use it later on. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this helps. And I just wanted to drop some value on here. And if you're looking for my #1 recommendation of making money online, you know where to go in the link in the description. Peace out. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.